Hi, Kerry Grinkmeyer again from Best of Us Investors. It's the first of the year, and I'm making some decisions and doing some reflection to determine where I'm going with my YouTube channel, and looking back and saying, where have I been and what is good and what isn't. My main objective is to help you, as I have said, make good investment decisions. And what I've realized is my channel has evolved from one of trying to be a stock picker to one of trying to be a long-term investor. And I recognize that doesn't fill all of my potential viewers' needs. So if I want to grow my channel, and if I want to again help you make good investment decisions, I need to make some decisions as to what I'm going to do with the channel. And so that's what I want to talk about today. I'm going to take it, I'm going to expand it. I recognize that I speak to long-term investors. I speak relative to how events change our society and how we can identify the companies that are going to facilitate that change. But yet then there are other people who would rather be swing traders or even day traders, and I don't address that. So I want to correct that. And I want to share with you today how I'm going to change Best of Us Investors over the next year to better fulfill your needs. What I want this channel to be is your everything investing channel. I want this to be a place where you can come and be a day trader and be exposed to some of the best day traders in the country and what they're doing, and you learn for it. And then do the same thing with swing trading, and also do the same thing with long-term trading, which I do, as well as real estate investing. So that's what I want to do on the next year. That's my goal, and I want to share it in more depth with you in this video and see if it holds some interest for you. So I'll be right back, and let's discuss this further.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Grinkmeyer.
Okay, I think again the realization that I've had, again, I'm a retired financial advisor, so my mindset used to be that people don't want to manage their own money. They want to give it to a financial advisor, and they want that work done for them. But as I have evolved through the YouTube investment business, I have recognized there is a large segment of the population who wants to be active in their stock selection, and then also there's a section who wants to be very active, being swing and day traders. So I'm asking the question, what kind of investor are you? Are you an active investor, thus a day trader, a swing trader, or a long-term trader? Or are you a passive investor? And that is, you just buy and hold your stocks and don't really pay a whole lot of attention on a daily or even a weekly or a monthly basis? Or are you one who buys ETFs and mutual funds and again turns that management or that stock selection process over to somebody based on their past history and their past records? Or do you have a managed account? And that is, you have a financial advisor who then hands your assets over to a manager and they manage your account. Or are you an investor in real estate? So what I'm asking you is, which of these categories do you fall in, and which do you want to fall in? What does Best of Us Investors then want to and help you with? We're basically today geared towards long-term investing, and that is, it follows my strategy that that if you're a long-term investor, events control what is going to happen next, such as I have said often, the biggest event in my life is the coronavirus. And then change is a result of these events. What is the event from the coronavirus? The healthcare system is broken, so it needs to be fixed. Then what I need to do is identify the undervalued assets in that segment of healthcare change and invest in them early and ride them out over a long period of time until they become highly valued assets. What that requires is a lot of research and a lot of study, and that's why I read so much. And my time perspective is somewhere between 3 and 10 years because I'm looking for anywhere from a 10x to a 40x increase in the value of those stocks. To give you an example, I have roughly $250,000 invested in the biotech industry, and I'm looking for that to go 10x and turn into 2.5 million or pipe dream 40x, you do the math. So that's what that is. On the other hand, you may be a swing trader. And what is a swing trader? It's basically more of a short-term perspective. Again, recognizing that events create swing trading opportunities, and you identify market mistakes. The best swing trading I ever did was in 2020 when the coronavirus hit and I saw McDonald's stock drop by 35%. I saw Valero stock drop by similar. I saw American Express drop. And I bought them knowing that once the fear left the market, there was going to be a rise in the price, and I could make money on it. That's not something I like doing, but I did do it. And in 2020, I had a 60% return on investment. But that's what swing trading is. It requires knowledge, and it requires experience that you can look with courage and say, this coronavirus will go away. Now, on the other hand, the cruise ships got hurt bad. They haven't recovered much, near as much as McDonald's and Disney and Valero have, or American Express. So you have to have some perspective and knowledge to participate that. What is your time frame? Usually a day to 60 days. And what are you expecting? Probably a 5% to 20% gain on your return on your investment. So that's what a swing trader is. A day trader, on the other hand, is basically trading on momentum. He's going in every day. He has a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience, and probably has a system, a artificial intelligence system that basically alerts him to, or her, to inequities in the market that he or she can go in and make a buy or short and take advantage of momentum. Now, his or her return is going to be anything from 0.1% of gain, but it might only take him 2 minutes. But he'll be doing trading on a continuing basis throughout the day. So he's got to be in front of that computer and that trader probably 8 hours a day, and then the other hours of the day he's got to be looking and researching and updating his system. Is it profitable? It's a matter of on long-term investing. I make a trade and I might not do anything for another month. On swing trading, I'm probably trading on a weekly basis, and I'm probably spending some time every day looking at the market, and I'm setting up alerts so that my alarm will go off when events that I'm looking for to happen within the swing trade happen. I've got to program my computer to do that. In day trading, I'm there. I eat, I sleep, I go to the bathroom in front of my computer so that I can see what is happening continually. So that's the difference. You then need to decide what you can do and what you want to do and what fits your personality and your time frame. What I want to do then as best of us investors is assist you in whatever channel of investing you want to enter. Currently, to do that, we have a Discord. And that Discord today, we have about 18,000 members. Some of them are active, some of them aren't. Probably 1,000 of them a day show up to see what other people are doing, to get a look at my portfolio, to receive daily alerts from me. If I see something that I'm going to trade in, I alert my members of the Discord on a daily basis. And as I say, you have access to my portfolio. And then we meet weekly, every Friday afternoon on a Zoom call, and we discuss the prior week's activities and the future weeks and future activities. So that's what the Discord is today. Where I want to take it into the future, I consider myself, because of my experience, I don't want to use the word expert, but knowledgeable on long-term trading. I do not consider myself a knowledgeable swing trader. What I want to do is now find a series of 4 or 5 active, proven swing traders and give you access to them. That's what I want to do with my Discord. I want you to have access to their daily trading activity as they're doing it, with alerts and access to their portfolio, and then also have access to them on a weekly or daily streaming basis so that you can communicate and you can learn how to become a very effective swing trader. I want to do then the same thing with people in the day trading arena. How am I going to attract these kind of people? Well, basically, I can create a new cash flow for them. In essence, what I'm doing is going to give them access to the people that is currently, the 154,000 people that are currently subscribers, and then I'm going to promote what I'm doing through the revenue that I've generated already to bring more people and to expand my exposure. By doing that, I will be able to pay these people something of a constant flow of income and then tie their income to the growth of the channel. So in essence, all I am is I'm the source for new revenue for them. So it's now my task to go out and find them, to vet them, to find out that they are good at what they do, and then give you access to them as a trader, whether, again, you're a long-term, you're a swing trader, or you're a day trader, and give you at a fair price the knowledge, the skills that you need to be successful at whatever you want to do. That's my role, as I see it, as the originator, as the tribe leader of Best of Us Investors. What I'm doing and what I'm proposing to do with day trading and swing trading is exactly what I have done over the last year and a half relative to long-term trading. And thus, I have recognized that that's not right for everybody. People want something different, and I don't see anywhere where you can go on YouTube or anywhere, or on Discord, where you can get that. Get what you want for a fair price. What is a fair price? I don't know. I have to recruit these people, and then we will determine that, and then you will determine whether it's fair or it's not, whether it's of value or it's not. But that's what I want Best of Us investors to be. I want this also to be something beyond carry. I foresee that within the YouTube element of this, that I will get these traders, whether day or swing traders, to do videos as well, to sell you on their skills, to bring you up to speed. Now, also within this framework, we've got to take care of the newbies. We've got to get them to understand the terminologies and the workings of brokerage firms, and so that they don't go in totally uneducated and unaware of some of the traps that are out there. So what I want Best of Us investors to be is exactly what the name says it is. Best of Us investors. A tribe of people that are working together to make themselves the best of us investors. So that's where I'm headed. What I'd like to know in the comments is, what would you like from this? What would you like to see us do? I'm in a unique position. I have an audience. I am an influencer. And I have the wherewithal to take this wherever you want me to take it, wherever you need me to take it to give you a better life. Because the third element that I suggest that you should have in your goal is to build family wealth. Not just to create an income for yourself, but to build family wealth. And one of the elements of that family wealth is your knowledge, your experience, so that you can say to your children, hey, this is something I've learned, and it has enriched my life, and I learned it at Best of Us Investors. And you can help them achieve a better life because of what you've learned. That's what this channel is going to be all about in 2022. If it appeals to you, get your introduction by going to Best of Us Investors and learning the tribe concept. This is a book that Colin wrote along with me, explaining what the whole concept is. And we are now taking it to step 2. Talk to you again tomorrow.